Hey, how's it going, everybody? So the market is closed. We closed in the green. The Nasdaq is up 1%, and tomorrow is Thanksgiving. What can be better? A green day, and then the next day is a holiday where you just eat a lot and you're with your family or your loved ones, and you're just being warm and fuzzy with each other, man. I love Thanksgiving. It's one of my favorite holidays, second only to Christmas. So Christmas, everybody loves Christmas, so I'm not being original there, but everybody wanted to jump into some stocks. So Tesla received an upgrade today from Citigroup after shedding 52% in 2022. So the bank analyst noted that the recently signed Inflation Reduction Act, coupled with Tesla's expansion into lithium batteries, is a cause for long-term optimism for the company. Tesla stock closed up 8% in the day. Moving on to Amazon news. Jeff Bezos, love that guy. Amazon is making headlines today after the firm announced that they will be plowing $1 billion into movies meant for the silver screen. So movie stocks like AMC and Cinemark are up 6% and 12% respectively for the day. Amazon is up 1% on the day. Moving on to some Fed speak. So we received the FOMC meetings for November, and mind you, these came out prior to the cooler than expected CPI report for October. The Fed notes revealed that the committee sees a recession, and mind you, this is the first time they admit to this, likely to occur in the next year due to the language in the release stating, and I quote, "The staff, therefore, continue to judge that the risks to the baseline projection for real activity were skewed to the downside and viewed the possibility that the economy would enter a recession sometime over the next year as almost as likely as the baseline, aka the likelihood of a recession is just as likely as not." Remember, we're looking for language that hints at a pause or a slowdown in interest rate hikes. The report then noted, and I quote, "A number of participants observed as monetary policy approached a stance that was sufficiently restrictive to achieve the committee's goals, it will become appropriate to slow the pace of increase in the target range for the federal funds rate. In addition, a substantial majority of participants judged that the slowing in the pace of interest rates would likely soon be appropriate. A slower pace in the circumstances would better allow the committee to assess progress towards its goal of maximum employment and price stability." So overall, a kind of bullish, not too bullish, bullish-ish meeting release from the Fed, and the market liked it too. The Nasdaq was up 1% on the day and up 3% for the week. So good change of pace. We've been getting clobbered. We're climbing our way back up there, but everybody, don't get too comfortable yet. Our next CPI report is scheduled to be released on December 13th at 5:30 a.m. PST for the month of November. So that can make us go sky high or make us go back down. Y'all know how inflation numbers work. If it comes in hotter than expected, man, the cooler than expected report for October is just going to be seen as a blip, and we'll be in the doghouse again, everybody. So jumping into my buys, everybody, I did some buying because some of the companies that I want to buy and want to own were in the red. So I added some SoFi, Digital Realty Trust, the Data Center Real Estate Investment Trust, Essex Properties Trust, the West Coast Apartment Real Estate Investment Trust, and lastly, Innovative Industrial Properties, the Weed Real Estate Investment Trust. And within the crypto realm, I added Bitcoin like I do every morning. Everybody, remember the market will be closed tomorrow for the Thanksgiving holiday, and it will be open partially on Friday. Everybody, have a good one. Have a good holiday. Talk to you later.